Hello again. After we did this figure 21, which is register new customer, the process under this develop contract. Today we are moving to the figure 22. These two, the diagram has a quite close relationship which you can analyze. 21 is we are keeping the business layer within the ArchiMetal to connect the business process with upper level is the business service and the business actor or business units. And below that is we connect to the information layer. So, but those are the all in business layer. And we keep on this breaking down develop contract in this 22, but we cross adding the application layer, which means is we need to understand or show is or what kind of the application service, application components are actually supporting this process. So that means it's not creating quite new for this business layer, which we will reuse what we have done in the 21st. So first, let's open our model. So last time we create this detail, the folder. So let's rename this detail folder like it's detail the EA, for example. So detail is to the generic name, and we have this 21st the view. Let's creating a duplication from this one because most of this process layer we will reuse. So we will not do that from the scratch. Support for develop contract process. So that is our view for here. Let's make that bigger. So that means it's on whole this area we will reuse, but we don't need this headquarter the business service. We keep have this distribution center, and we don't need the information layer, including the representation layer. So first, let's do the cleanup of the view here. So that is the base is already ready. Then we will examine, starting to see what are already in our repository. So let's open the application. So first examine the application service. We have the CRM in the top. Then we have several things under the CRM, customer administration. We don't have that. Customer credit, customer contract creating, contract printing. So we don't have those before. So that means is we can safety to create something. So let's also use develop contract because those are the application service related to the development contract. So since there's only 4 service, we will just create manually. But remember, is you can do that in the batch when you understand the Archi model file structure, and you can import that through a list of the CSV. So, but that's depending on your preference. So not too many. So let's select all and drag here. So let's make that bigger so that is not have the breaking of the word. So customer administration first, customer credit second, contract printing last, and this contract creating analysis. Oh, this is the second. Contract creating service is the third. And below that is we have the CRM system. Let's see in the components, do we have those based on this customer? So let's see. CRM system. We already have this one. And the CRM system actually in earlier the view, we have this serving directly to the contract, develop contracts process. Now we have our detail level, but let's keep on this. So let's start to have price shift log this serving. And the first administration is actually serve on the registration, serve on the approved customer data, and also define pricing policy. The customer credit analysis only serve on this the credit risk evaluation, and the contract creating is the accept proposal. That means we are starting to create contract and send to customer. We need to send them is the contract print through the contract printing service. But this one is depending on how the transformation, digitalization of your company. Now it's more and more companies, so we have the digital sign service, and it's possible you don't need to print in the paper contract to sign by customer. So this application service also will kept evolved based on the technology. So now it's all the those application services are realized by our new CRM system. So that is the view for here. And if we don't want to make the misleading, we can hide this direct link from our view, but we don't delete that from the our model. So that is for this supporting the manner of the development contract process from application layer. Thank you for watching. So next view, we will come to this second process, registration of customer order. See you then. Bye for now.